Welcome to Swishmax 4 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you the new features of Swishmax version 4 blend effects. First, I'm going to make the first object, which is the square. Click the selection tool. Change the type into gradient. I will choose black, red, and yellow. So this is my preferred color for the first object. For the second object, I will insert an image. Click import image. So I will choose this photo. After that, resize the pictures into the equal size of your first object. For the third object, I will insert a circle. Click the selection tool. Click the third object and place it at the center. I will change the type into gradient. So this is my preferred color for the third object. After that, go to the window, click tint, so these are the different blend effects. I will choose normal. To see the effects, go to File, click Test, select SWF and Flash Player, and this is the first effect of the normal mode. So nothing happens. It is all the same. For the next mode is layer. You can simply use Ctrl plus T for the shortcut key in the test. So this is the result of the layer. Nothing happens. It is all the same with the normal. For the third mode is multiply. Ctrl plus T. This is the result of the multiply. The color blends into the first and second object, and it becomes darker on the side of the circle. After that is the screen mode. Ctrl plus T. So this is the result of the screen. The effects only blend on the first and second object, and the third object is gone. For the fourth is lighten. Control plus T. So this is the result of lighten. The color become visible, the first and the second object. For the next mode is darken. This is the result of darken. The darker color blend into the third object. For the next mode is difference. So the result becomes a color negative. And the color violet blends inverts into the side and the darker color goes to the top of the circle. For the second mode is add. It is similar to the result of the screen. After that is the subtract mode. Control plus T. So this is the result of subtract mode. The color become darker and the effects of the blend of the first and second object blend to the darker color of the third object. For the next mode is invert. The becomes color becomes black and if the first and second object affects the third color and it becomes blue and it becomes a negative. After that is the alpha control plus T. So the result is the circle is gone because it applies an alpha mask. For the next mode is erase. The result is like the alpha, but the cause of the circle is gone because it erases all the darker color. For the second mode is overlay. So the circle is gone, but you can see the effects that it will blend in the first and second object. And this is the mark of the circle, which affects the first and second object. For the last mode is hard light. So this is the result of hard light. The it becomes a lighter color in the third object, but the second and the first and second object did not affect the the third object. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.